I'm Judy Shaw for NYSE Floor Talk. Joining me today is Drew Wilkerson. Drew is the President of Transportation North America for XPO Logistics, and he's also the CEO of its planned brokerage spinoff. Drew, wonderful to have you here. Thanks for joining me.
Thanks so much for having me, Judy.
All right, so Drew, you announced earnings earlier this week. They were solid earnings. Can you tell me what some of the highlights were from the brokerage business?
Our brokerage team grew volume by 23%, and it was our sixth consecutive quarter which we grew volume by over 20%. Revenue was up over 30%, and when you look at our net revenue margins, they were up 21%. So what you're seeing from our brokerage group is we're continuing to go out and we're taking market share, and we're doing it profitably.
All right, so now as part of your announcement this week, you were named CEO of the upcoming spinoff. Now, tell me about the spinoff and what's the rationale behind the spin?
The rationale is what we heard from investors is that they wanted to invest in more pure plays. So you've got the asset side for our LTL that you can invest in, and you have the non-asset side, which is the part that I'll be overseeing, which is our tech-enabled brokerage platform. That allows shippers to connect with massive amounts of capacity that we've got access to 88,000 carriers and over 1.5 million trucks that we've got access to.
All right, so technology, it's really taking over the truck brokerage business. What is XPO doing on the technology front?
We're differentiated with our XPO Connect platform. XPO Connect allows our shippers and the carriers that we're working with on a daily basis, it gives them access to the capacity. For the customer side, we really wanted to focus and give them tons of data that helps them make the best transportation decisions possible. Things like what mode of transportation they should use, when they should ship something. For the carriers, we really focus on how to make their life easier. So we've got 700,000 downloads of our app, Drive XPO. Our drivers can go on and they can book a load now, they can negotiate, and they can do it with no human interaction. We also give them access to fuel discounts, tire discounts, things that allow them to put more money into their pocket on a daily basis. And then last thing, we focus on our employees. What makes their life easier? How can we continue to increase their productivity to where they're able to do more loads on a daily basis?
All right, and finally, tell me, how is the spinoff progressing?
The spinoff's progressing great. We continue to put up positive earnings overall, and the team we've got great operators that are ready to go forward. We've got the best technologists, and we have great sales folks that are ready to lead this path forward. So we're very excited about where we are with the spinoff.
All right, Drew, wonderful to talk with you, and thanks for joining me on NYSE Floor Talk.
Thank you so much for having me.